AI search is already rewriting the rules of digital marketing, and most marketing teams, they won't see it coming. But if you know how to ride the wave instead of fighting it, you won't just survive, you'll dominate. Right now, the way people find businesses online is already shifting. Google's not just showing links, it's answering questions for your customers before they ever visit your site. And AI search engines, they're choosing one best answer. Not 10, not 20, just one. For digital marketing consultants and professionals, that means your old SEO playbook, it's getting outdated by the minute. If your firm still relies on keywords, traffic charts, or ad funnels built for the old Google, you're already behind. But here's the good news. This isn't the end of search. It's the beginning of a new kind of visibility, one where trust wins, where authority isn't just claimed, it's chosen by AI, and where your brand has to sound more human than ever because bots are now your first audience. If you want your clients to rank in AI-driven answers, your firm has to shift 3 things. First, focus less on clicks, more on credibility. Publish answers, not just articles. Second, train your content to calm anxiety, because today's buyer isn't bored, they're overwhelmed. And third, build what we call a familiar brand voice. If your brand sounds like a real person people trust, AI search will trust you too. Digital marketing is changing fast, but you've got the chance to lead the wave, not get crushed by it. If you want your team to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're building content for the next search era, not the last one. Want more ways to future-proof your marketing and win in the AI search economy? Hit subscribe and let's keep you one step ahead. Because the future of marketing isn't louder, it's calmer.